So yeah, I just explained the concept of algebraic expression, the types of algebraic expressions, and what is a polynomial. So a polynomial is an algebraic expression which has at least one sign. It should be a plus or it can be a minus. Okay. Now I'm gonna erase all this so that we can actually start learning about the polynomials. So I'll write a polynomial here. X plus y plus 3 minus p. Why is it a polynomial? Because it has at least one sign. I mean, exactly it has three signs, two plus signs and one minus sign. But for a polynomial, the basic requirement is at least one sign, plus or minus. Okay. So what is the degree of this polynomial? The degree. So the degree means maximum exponent value. Now, what's an exponent? Exponent are these little numbers here in these places, which are written, which are also called the powers of these numbers. Now, if I ask you what numbers are written in these boxes, can you tell me? The people who know, they'll tell me that the numbers which are written in these red boxes are 1, 1, 1, and 1. So these are the exponents of these numbers, right? So the question is, what is the degree of this whole polynomial? The degree, maximum exponent, the biggest exponent. The biggest exponent is actually 1 because we have all the ones here. All the exponents are 1. So if all of them are equal, the biggest one would be 1 itself. The degree is 1. Okay. Another example. X to the power 5 plus 5 to the power of 2 minus 7xy to the power of 2 and plus 4. Yeah, that's it. Now let's first identify all the exponents. We have a 5, we have a 2, we have a 2 here, there's nothing here, so it must be a 1. Let's not write anything if there's no power, let's just skip it. Out of these numbers that I have circled, which is the largest number? It's 5. So the degree of this polynomial is 5. Okay, let's take another question. Negative 7 x y p to the power 3, positive 45 x squared y to the power 5 m to the power 2 plus 44. Okay, so let's take a look at all the exponents that we have in this polynomial. We have a 3, we have a 2, we have a 5, we have a 2, and out of all those that we have circled, which is the largest one? It's 5. So the degree of this polynomial is 5. Isn't that simple? All you have to do is just circle the exponents, and the largest one is the degree, isn't it? So if that's the case, then can we also answer these questions here? These ones. Let's do it together. Looking at the first question, to all my students that are looking at it, what are all the exponents here? We can clearly see that there's only one exponent here, and all the other exponents are also there, but they're invisible. Invisible ones means they must be all 1, 1, 1, 1. So let's not write them at all. We have only one contender in the list of the degrees, and that degree is 2. So the largest exponent is 2, so the degree is 2. Second one I'm going to leave for you guys. Solve it yourself. You tell me what's the degree here. I'll tell you the answer in the end. Third one, what is the largest exponent? In this, there's no exponent. So, and there's not even any other number here. So we'll assume that this is just 1. So the degree is also 1. Next one, can you see any exponents in this? No. So automatically the answer is the largest exponent would be the 1, which is invisible every place. Every number has an exponent by default, and that is 1. Okay. What answer did you think of for the second question? The answer is 3. All right. Was it right? I hope it was right. Let's do question number 2. Write polynomials of degrees 1, 2, and 3. What does it mean? We have to write polynomials, but their degree should be 1. In the first polynomial, the degree would be 1, like whatever your blah 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 would be, the degree should be 1. For the second one, whatever your answer is, the degree should be 2. And third one, whatever your answer is, the degree should be 3. I don't think that's difficult. We have the examples right here. Degree 1, degree 2, degree 3. I think this is pretty easy. Can be done very easily. The first one. We can write any random polynomial here. So a plus b. What's the degree? No exponent means the degree is 1. So we have got the answer. A plus b is our polynomial. Second one. If we write the same thing again, and this time the degree we assume is 2 on any of this, let's write a 2 here. So I think we've got the answer as 2. And in the same way, if I write the same thing again, but this time the exponent should be 3 on this, so we've got the answer. And that's it. That's all. That is the concept of degree of polynomial. It's nothing but the maximum value of the exponent, or the largest exponent in the polynomial. Okay. Now I'm going to close this video now, stop this video now, and I'm going to do another video in which I'll be explaining you about the terminologies of algebra. Stay tuned, because this is very important. This is another very important topic, so that we can do these questions number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.